Jerusalem remains on high alert tonight. As the world watches in awe, Israel's invisible shield has just achieved a staggering 97% success rate against incoming threats. But how is this mathematical miracle forged? Today, we take you inside the highly classified facility where absolute precision meets raw military might. Evidence collected. Process verified. The shield never sleeps. America was forged in grit and innovation, a testament to what determined hands can build. But centuries later, the very foundations of our nation whisper tales of wear, of structures straining under the weight of time. Time presses down, exposing the strains beneath. From this wear, a guardian rises to endure. Yet, deep within the heartland, a new chapter is being etched in steel and concrete. Billions are being invested, not just in repair, but in a monumental reimagining, transforming raw earth into the very backbone of our future. This isn't merely industry, it's the thrumming pulse of a nation rebuilding its destiny, where ordinary materials become extraordinary marvels.
Easy now, keep it centered! Alright, hold it!
Our journey into tomorrow begins with the very essence of stability, precast concrete. A material so fundamental, yet so deceptively complex, it underpins every towering ambition.
From the quiet strength of liquid stone, we now turn to the roaring power of steel.
For where foundations are laid, colossal forces are needed to sculpt the very landscape of our ambition.
These are the titans forging our tomorrow, not merely moving Earth, but sculpting destiny.
Not simply laying foundations, but fortifying a nation with the unbreakable will of its people. This is more than infrastructure. It's the relentless pursuit of a stronger, more resilient world. What impressed you most, the liquid stone or the iron beast? Let us know in the comments below. The Tamir Interceptor, the kinetic guardian of the Iron Dome, ready to defend. To learn more, visit our channel and subscribe for updates.